Hi guys, my name is Cheryl. Welcome to my channel. Today is the repotting day and actually almost all of my plants need repotting, but I can't do it all at once. So for the meantime, let's repot some of the plants that need urgent care, like the ones that I have just received. And I don't have a moss pole, so I'm just using this bamboo stick. It's difficult to find moss pole here that are long, and I don't think it will matter much because look, my photos that time I couldn't find moss pole, so what I did, I just used bamboo stick, and look how the roots attached to the bamboo stick. And actually the leaves are better in the bamboo stick than the moss pole. So look at this, it has bigger leaves and beautiful variegation, so I think there's no problem with the bamboo stick. I want to show you this side. Look how it got crazy, how the roots cling in between this. Oh my god, this bamboo, this photos is so messy, and this needs repotting, but I'm gonna need someone to help me because it's gonna be a tough job for me. Yeah, so this, my medium is made up of orchid bark and some cocoa peat and perlite, and so yeah, let's get started. And this is my philodendron branchianum. I got this plant 2.5 months ago and it's doing quite well, so I need to attach this one in a pole for the leaves to climb on. I hope this one will thrive in this bamboo stick. Let's go. they are just juveniles, so I think this bamboo stick can hold on to their weight. Yeah. And this is a philodendron verrucosum. I love the velvety texture on the leaves of this one. And this is my philodendron mamiai. I just got this too recently. But this one has a yellow edge because probably it sits 2 days in a very wet soil. I totally changed the soil on that one. And this is my brandy and my pedatum, and this is my sitting area. And this is the first one that I did in the morning, my philodendron pink princess, and I put this one in Leica. I hope she will thrive well in that medium, and I hope she will stay cute and beautiful. And that's the Orbifolia. She's just so stunning. Look at this one. And the leaves had unfurled, and there's 2 more over there. I'm so excited. And my calathea leopardina. And this one also, I repotted this one yesterday. And I'm so happy it put that in new leaf. Oh my god, so excited. I also repotted this one, but it was not in a video because my phone's battery is finished. And then look at this lindinii. It has more leaves on this one, and it's in a pedestal pot. And that's my gloriosum. Look, it's almost open. Look at this giant. And this is my monstera corner. This one sits in the water for 1.5 months already, and still no roots, but there are bumps. So yeah, and finally I found rooting hormone for this one. It took me a while because I don't know what it is in Turkish, but I'm glad I found one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys are doing well and your plant babies. See you next time. Thank you.